In JMAG, provides current vector control circuits with different modulation methods as macro component. You can check the change in motor characteristics when control methods are changed simply by replacing the macro component. Here, we can check the current waveform and iron loss when the IPM motor control method is changed from 3-phase modulation to 2-phase modulation. There are 4 types of control methods provided by the macro components: 2-phase modulation, 3-phase modulation, 3-phase modulation third harmonic control, and 3-phase modulation space vector control. First, we will evaluate the motor characteristics of 3-phase modulation. These macro components set the characteristics of the motor and inverter. Run the calculation. Change the control method to 2-phase modulation and evaluate again. Delete the 3-phase modulation control block and replace with 2-phase modulation control block. Run the calculation. After the calculation is finished, compare the current waveform and iron loss for 3-phase modulation and 2-phase modulation. In 2-phase modulation, the influence of PWM harmonic components is greater, and iron loss is increasing.